Evening, everyone. T-Speaker 222 with Swing Traders Anonymous. It's 6:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I wanted to come with this second update of the day on swing trade number 19 Stratis and Tom's bonus coverage of Doge, day 15 approximately. We're starting to get a little move to the upside. Obviously, you can see we're up some almost 4.5% from when we were on this morning when I put out the buy alert. So with Stratis, we've been pretty much stuck. We'll talk about Doge after. With Stratis, we've been stuck in this zone. We did have, we'll go back into the 30 minutes so you guys can see this a little clearer. We did have a few candles after that attempted, after we did our update, to try to pull up, but it has come back down. So we were at about $2.33 when we were on this morning. Looks like we've gone up to about $2.40. Came back down under that $2.37 resistance, which was a great spot where I put it. So now we're trying to get to the top side, and now you've got an overhead support line or resistance line once again. If we can get over this line and move it into support at 237, well, actually, you could technically we could say we've got a resistance of 232. We can get rid of this. If we're doing it in the new grand scheme, we have an overhead resistance of 240, and 232 would be your underneath support. If you're looking for a buying opportunity, if you see it come down to about 232, but I don't suspect it would come down like that if it's going to break farther up. But that could be an ideal spot. I would say the more logical buy-in spot, just based on what I'm seeing on this pattern, would be if you get back in around $2.34. That seems to be $2.33, seems to be the underneath stronger support. I had one failed breakout. So I would say that's what you need to look for in Stratis. We have some very important closes. A good close for Stratis would be over that $2.35 mark. Over $2.33 would be a great close. So it could propel it up to the higher regions. Matic, we talked about as our swing trade yesterday. Just a quick update. It's come up to the $1.46. It actually hit $1.50, but pulled back very quickly in the candles. We're looking for, if we can hold this line and close above the $1, like I said yesterday, $1.41, $1.42 would be great. But if we can get up to that $1.50 somehow where it was at, oh, that'd be great, because then you're over the 20 EMA as well, if you get up in that region. But like we've been saying, we're in an apple and a diamond pattern, so with Matic, so we called that out perfectly. Doge, we're hoping it can hold. It's having a little fight here. It did pull up to about 29. What did it get up to at the top? 29.4. But now it looks like it's pulling back just a tiny bit here with Doge. The 28.8. We have that underneath support at 28.6. I'm really hoping it can close above 29 cents. That's my big eyes on that target at 29 cents. So that's going to be a big close. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. If you want to check out my YouTube partner page, XRP Future Millionaire, or my Twitter, those links are in the description. Stay blessed, everybody.